Last one was from Stephen G. He says, if you could generate unlimited content, what would be your approach to quickly grow and monetize online? Pick a niche and just develop a shit ton of content around that particular industry, but try to structure it properly. Again, I always talk about this. WriterZen has got a really good, WriterZen is a tool that it's like my favorite keyword research tool right now. But they have a really good workflow like built into the app on how to do topic research and then organize the content into a proper structure, an appropriate structure, and then develop that content out. There's some, whether you use the WriterZen app or not, doesn't matter. I'm just saying you can go to their YouTube channel. They've got a phenomenal YouTube channel, WriterZen, right? WriterZen is the channel. Just go to YouTube and search for it. And they've got a really good channel with a lot of really, really good training videos on there that can teach you how to structure content to where you become a topical authority. That's what I was getting at, was you want to try to become a topical authority. If you have the opportunity to generate unlimited content, then spend some time in the planning, select a topic, spend some time developing the structure, organizing keywords into topic clusters or keyword clusters to support that topic, and then structuring it how you would structure the site, right? In silos or whatever, different categories, subcategories, however it is that you need. It's going to vary depending on whatever topic you choose. So, but once you spend some time on all of that is what I'm saying. And then start developing the content. But the planning stage is very important for what it is that you're talking about. So
yeah, I think something else too, Bradley, what would you think about the way I was thinking to add on to that would be not at the start, maybe not make it too complicated, but start to build multiple adjacent sites. So not the exact same topics, but maybe overlapping.
Yeah.
And to go that way too, to avoid issues like random ranking factors, also just to have not all your eggs in one basket. Well, though I would try to concentrate on one at a time until it's up and running and you have a process, and then go set up another one and kind of set up a process and but I think building that out kind of in adjacent areas or, within one larger broad niche, maybe.
And I've got something, keep talking, Adam. I'm going to pull something up.
Well, that was about it. Yeah. I just think, it's a balancing act like everything. You don't want to have 1,000 sites you have to manage, but you maybe don't want to have one, or you could put up 3 or 4, with some varied kind of sub niches or topic breadth, and then see which ones perform the best, and then which ones you enjoy maybe working with or having someone manage, and then just kind of go nuts on that and keep the others if they're profitable or sell them. So,
yeah, there's a service that, shit, I'm trying to find an email that I got from this service that I'm testing with right now. It's pretty damn good, but it was a fabulous idea about how to use SEMrush. And SEMrush to get all the questions up. You could probably use other tools like SEO Minion and things like that, but questions, the people also ask questions and things like that to extract all these questions. But in SEMrush, there's a very particular strategy on how to use SEMrush, and you can use all of, you can extract or export or whatever, all of the questions around a particular topic. And then you can check their traffic statistics and their competition levels for each one of the questions and all of that. And then you can narrow it down, and it's a whole process. The guy had literally an SOP on how to do this using SEMrush. And then you publish content around all the questions that have that meet specific criteria, but low competition is one of the key metrics that he looks at. And then you just publish all of that onto a domain that's optimized for that topic. And he said it's just like very quickly you can start to generate massive amounts of traffic. And
cool.
Go ahead.
I was going to say, if you could find that one, I'm sure everyone else would be interested. If you could forward that to me, I'd love to check that out. It's just interesting idea, if nothing else.
I'm trying to find it. If I can't find it now, I'll just I'll post it in for next week. Anyways, it seems like I've got to find it because it was a really, really good idea, and I've been wanting to test with it. I just haven't had the time to do it. So, well,
maybe that's 2023. I know we've talked about putting up some sites for some other uses, and so maybe that can be something we go with.
Yeah, I got to find it, man. Anyway, I'll find it and I'll try to post it for next week. Anyway.